Welcome back to Cleanfield Wanted again. We are still working on this Enfield cabinet, but what we have here is a door. Now I could just put it on like this, but that's not very pretty and it'd be rather heavy. So the proper door is a frame and panel with mortise and tenons. We're gonna build out the frame first and then worry about the panels afterwards, because if I try to make the panels right now, I'm sure, knock on wood, I will make them the wrong size. All right, one's done. That last scene happened almost exactly 1 week ago. I've had 39 years of practicing walking, 39 plus years. And apparently I'm not very good at it still. I stepped on a fern leaf, slipped, and I bashed my right hand into the ground, catching myself, thankfully. My elbow was bent. My wrist was very bent. But they said, they looked at, they took x-rays, everything's fine. But still, I haven't touched this because it just hurt. Cool. That's pretty square. Okay, that's not bad. It hurt like hell. I know some people are going to be yelling at me because I did this. And the truth is, you're right. I shouldn't be doing this. I'm supposed to give this another week. I can't not do anything for another week. It's driving me crazy. I will say this, all of the haunches are like perfect. Don't do that. So we got our door. I have to figure out how to make a knob. That's going to be makeshift, and it'll probably not be in a very good way. And if I can't do it well, I'm just going to go use the lathe. But for now, we got this done. Next time, we're going to try to work on the molding at the top. Subscribe, like, comment. But dude, I made a door. This is really exciting. I'm happy about this.